Hey y'all, it's Mallory. Today is Monday. I don't know what day it is. Whatever. I was trying to look on my calendar, but whatever. So it's Monday. Um, and I wanted to tell y'all a story that happened to me this weekend. So, um, in our front yard, we have a magnolia tree because we live in Mississippi, and that's the state tree. And my mom is all about bird feeders. Like, she loves the birds, and um, she loves to feed them, and she loves to watch them. And we sit on our porch and we watch them all the time. I can kind of show you the tree. I don't know if you can see the bird feeders, but there's quite a few in the tree. It's a big tree. But anyway, so um, so we were sitting out there. I think it was Friday. It might have been Saturday. I can't remember. But anyway, so we were sitting out there, and all of a sudden we were just talking, and all of a sudden we heard like birds in the tree like fighting, and we were like, what's going on? Because we didn't know she had a bird. I guess a bird made its own nest like in the middle of the tree. Like, we didn't even know there was a nest. But we've been finding like little blue eggs like around our tree, and I mean, we knew it was from a baby bird, but we didn't know like what what it was coming from, because we didn't have any of those kind of eggs in the bird houses we knew about. But anyways, so we were just sitting out there, and we saw we heard these birds like chirping and fighting, and the tree was going crazy. And all of a sudden, we saw like three blue jays, and they flew out, and they had one of them had a baby bird in their mouth. So I'm guessing blue jays like to eat baby birds. I don't know. Well, I don't hate, but I dislike blue jays so much because it was so sad. And my neighbor was actually over here, and um, she she was like, well, I want to see if they dropped it, because um, you know we just wanted to see if, by chance, by luck, that the blue jay accidentally dropped the bird. So we went and we looked like, over there, and we saw the baby bird. It was on the ground, and it was suffering. It was like it was trying to breathe. It was so sad. And so I picked it up, and we put it in this shoebox with a towel, and we were trying to, help it. We were trying to save it, and it was so sad. I cried. I really did. And we just sat there with it, hoping that it would stay alive, and we were praying for it. And then all of a sudden, it kept breathing, but it was getting slower and slower. The breathing was, and the wing like was hanging from just like a little string, and it was so sad. And the neck had been, I think, it was bleeding. It was sad. And then so it just died, and like I cried. It was so sad. But I hate blue jays. I dislike them. Like, they're mean birds. When I had a cat, um, my cat died actually, like 2 years ago. But when I used to have a cat, and he would like just be sitting on the front porch or sitting in the grass and minding his own business, and all of a sudden those blue jays would just kind of like swoop down on him and like try to peck him. And blue jays, oh my gosh, I am getting a BB gun this Christmas. And I'm really I'm really not for killing animals, but if I see a blue jay try to get up in that tree, I'm shooting. Because that's so sad. And I just want to cry. Like, I cried, but it's just still so sad when I think about it. But anyways, I just want to tell you all that story. And what else has gone on this weekend? Not really anything. Well, recently, well, in the past 2 weeks, I've had this thing in my ear, like in my right ear. I can, it feels like a heartbeat, and it's been going on for like 2 weeks now, and I kept thinking it was going to go away, like it was just a little thing that was going to go away, but it hasn't gone away. It's like I can hear it now. It's like a heartbeat. And I looked it up online, and it said, it said all kinds of things that it could be. But I guess I'm going to have to go to the doctor soon if it doesn't stop, because I don't know what it is, and it's annoying because like sometimes I can't even sleep because I that's all I'll hear, and it's just so annoying. But um I think that's all I wanted to say. I think so. But anyways, so this is basically just about Blue Jays and my ear. So if y'all watch this, I commend y'all. But if y'all have any comments, or if y'all have ever heard of like that pounding in your ear or anything, please leave a comment below because it will be helpful. I've heard a lot of things about it, but I mean, it could be anything. So hopefully it's not bad, because the worst thing I saw is it could be like an aneurysm behind my ear, and it's getting ready to bust, which I don't think it's that serious, but hopefully it's not. I mean, it can't be an ear infection because it doesn't hurt. Like it's just an annoying sound. So I don't know. But anyways, leave your comments below, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.